This is my fave viral recipe talaga na I learned here on TikTok. I mean, this has been part of my foodie adventure since I saw it. Ito yung viral na one-pan beef enoki. Super simple kasi in less than 15 minutes done na siya. And in fairness, kaya pa siyang gawin mas malinamnam. First, you need your onions. I used red onions in the past, pwede din naman. And of course, your enoki mushrooms. Don't forget to wash them, besties. And ang pinaka nagdadala dito is yung beef. Make sure lang to use good quality beef para malambot. After rolling, ito na siya lahat. For the sauce naman, mix in your soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, water, and optional lang naman if meron kayong mirin. And to add more linamnam and savoriness to your dish, I always add in my Maggi Savor. Trust me, besties, better and tastier with Maggi Savor. And then get your pan na, oil it up, cook your white onions until sweaty, and then add in your beef enoki roll na. Let it cook lang for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Then you can finally add in your sauce. Naglagay pala ako ng pepper dito, besties. And then right after, takpan nyo lang. And once nakikita nyo na nagbabrown na yung beef nyo, last step is